Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best embroidery transfers is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for any crafter looking to add a professional touch to their projects, allowing you to easily transfer intricate designs onto fabric with precision and ease, making it an indispensable item for both beginners and experienced artisans seeking to elevate their embroidery game and bring their creative visions to life on a variety of textiles. Number 5. Aunt Martha's Iron-On Transfer Patterns, Set of 5. Discover Aunt Martha's versatile iron-on transfer patterns. Perfect for adding a personal touch to your projects. This set includes Bless Our Home, elegant monograms, beautiful rose motifs, and charming hummingbirds and flowers. Each pattern offers multiple designs for endless possibilities. These designs are ideal for personalizing pillowcases and other linens. Give your home decor a unique and handmade feel. Enjoy the flexibility of transferring each design multiple times. They work wonderfully on various fabrics like cotton and polyester. Don't limit yourself to just fabric. These transfers can also be applied to materials such as leather, wood, and metal. Crafted with care in the USA, these patterns bring quality and tradition to your creative endeavors. What we like. This set offers a diverse range of patterns, from home blessings to floral motifs, perfect for personalizing linens. Each design can be used multiple times, making it a cost-effective choice. If you love to embellish everyday items like pillowcases and towels with classic designs, this is an excellent option. What people say. They really work well. These patterns print very clear. Iron-on embroidery patterns worked perfect. I put them on pillowcases. They're easy to follow. Number 4. Aunt Martha's Iron-On Pattern Kit. Introducing Aunt Martha's Iron-On Pattern Kit. It's everything you need to bring your unique designs to life on fabric. Simply draw or trace your desired image onto the special paper. The process is quick and straightforward, perfect for all skill levels. With just a few seconds of heat from your iron, your artwork transfers seamlessly. Watch your creations appear like magic. This kit includes 50 sheets of 8 by 11 inch paper and 2 pre-sharpened hot iron transfer pencils. You can start creating right away. Personalize clothing, tote bags, and more with your own custom patterns. The possibilities are truly endless with this versatile kit. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this kit that allows you to draw or trace your own unique designs. It comes with everything you need to get started, including transfer pencils. If you're looking to add a personal touch with custom artwork or lettering, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It works well in transfer when you iron it is crisp and clear. Very simple to use. Great transfer paper. The transfer works well. Number 3. STITCHER'S Revolution SR27 Cute Kitchen Sayings Iron-On Transfers. Add a touch of charm to your kitchen projects with these adorable iron-on transfer patterns. Perfect for embroidery, they bring your creative ideas to life with ease. Crafted from a comfortable cotton mix, these transfers are designed to adhere beautifully to your chosen fabrics. Enjoy a soft feel and durable application for lasting results. Get more value with each pattern, as they are typically good for more than one stamping. This means you can create multiple pieces with the same charming design. Never guess again. Each transfer comes with a helpful stitch and color guide. This ensures you have all the information needed for a perfect embroidery finish. Support American craftsmanship with these transfers, proudly made in the United States. You can trust in the quality and care put into every design. With a minimal height of just 0.1 inches, these transfers are easy to store and handle. They are designed for a simple and straightforward application process. What we like. Add some charm to your kitchen textiles with these fun, pre-designed sayings. The included stitch and color guide makes it easy to achieve beautiful results. If you're a fan of cute kitchen decor and want to add some personality to aprons, dish towels, or placemats, these are ideal. What people say. No issues with ironing transfer on tea towels. Great transfer patterns. Fun sayings. Make dish towels for hostess gifts. These patterns are perfect, have had zero problems with them. They iron on great. Number 2. Aunt Martha's Hot Iron Embroidery Transfer number 4035. Discover the enchanting charm of Hummingbird's Hot Iron Embroidery Transfer. This pattern brings delicate floral and hummingbird designs to life. Perfect for a variety of crafts, including embroidery, fabric painting, and wearable art. Let your creativity soar with these beautiful patterns. Imagine these designs on your dish towels, pillowcases, or quilts. Add a touch of handmade charm to your living space. Elevate your clothing with unique, embroidered accents. These transfers are ideal for creating personalized and artistic wearable pieces. Simply use a hot iron to transfer these lovely patterns onto your fabric. It's a quick and easy way to add intricate designs. Trust in Aunt Martha's tradition of quality crafting supplies. These transfers are designed for beautiful and lasting results. What we like. These charming hummingbird and floral patterns are perfect for a variety of crafts, from embroidery to fabric painting. They are ideal for creating decorative items like dish towels or personalized clothing. If you appreciate delicate, nature-inspired designs and want to elevate your craft projects, consider these transfers. What people say. The transfers are easy to use and apply. The designs are clear and vibrant. The transfers hold up well after washing. Number 1. Aunt Martha's Days of the Week Iron-On Transfer Patterns. Introducing Aunt Martha's versatile iron-on transfer patterns, perfect for your creative projects. Add unique designs to fabric with ease. This set features fun themes like Death by Chocolate, charming birdhouses, vibrant fruits, an adorable puppy, and beautiful butterflies. Each theme includes 7 unique designs. Each design is approximately 6 to 8 inches, ideal for any day of the week. You can use them multiple times, making them a great value. These transfers are incredibly versatile. They can be easily ironed onto a variety of materials, including cotton, polyester, leather, metal, and wood. Unleash your creativity with these easy-to-use patterns. They are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality for all your stitching, embroidery, or fabric painting needs. What we like. This set provides 7 unique designs for each day of the week, covering themes like food, animals, and nature. They are suitable for a wide range of materials, offering great versatility. If you enjoy themed crafting or want to create a special item for each day, this set offers fantastic value and variety. What people say. These work great. I was skeptical, but they ironed on quickly and easily. I ironed the patterns onto cotton cloth. I've only used each pattern once, but I believe I could get additional uses from the pattern. I do enjoy using the patterns to iron onto dish towels. It makes my embroidery project so easy to prepare. I have used them on a tablecloth that has brightened up very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.